Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make newspaper border and background on CapCut. So here I've already imported a video, and to make the newspaper border and background, I downloaded an overlay from Instagram actually, and I downloaded from the video overlays account on Instagram. And here is what you need to do. Just import the main video and then just click on overlay and select the border overlay like this. Okay, so I'm going to change the format of the main video first into a square like this so that it fits the overlay. And here I'm going to adjust the size like that. And then after that, here I'm going to adjust the newspaper overlay so that it fits the size like this. And then after that, just click on the overlay and then go to cut out and use the chroma key option. Drag the color picker into the green screen, adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, after that you can just click on the check icon, and now your video will be shown with the newspaper border and background. Okay, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Remember to click thanks, like, and also subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Thank you.